Still have the grow wall and several plants in the grow wall. And we have the beans already started here. Doing fairly nicely. And this is last year's broccoli. And this bed right here has some lettuce already started in it. I'm not sure if you can see. Let's see if we can drill into that lettuce there. A new addition this year are the grow beds that are dirt. So we noticed there were several things we just couldn't grow the way we wanted to without some actual soil. So these are wicking beds, and they get their water from these tubes, and they fill up the bed underneath, and they have an overflow valve on the side. And this is another wicking bed that we still need to build. We need some milk crates down in the bottom. And then we have a rain trough for our strawberries, and they're doing pretty well. Let's see if I can dial this guy in for you. And then our fish are roaming around in here. I don't think I'll be able to pick them out, but after it leaves the fish tank, goes into our radio flow filter and out into these beds. Something new that I did this year is we're using this grow bed here as a nutrient builder for our grow wall. So that dumps into our grow wall and then goes up and across to feed the grow wall with better nutrients. And as you can see here, it's doing pretty good. These are pretty lively, very firm, nice growth. So we'll see how this does this year. We'll keep an eye on it. And that's kind of where we're at. We've got a few tomato plants growing, both in those. And we have some tomato plants in the grow beds back here. So we'll see how it does.